You guys asked for it, so here it is. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to hack into Android devices like phones and tablets using Metasploit. Hey folks, Arcane CFG here, and welcome back to another video tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to use Metasploit to create a reverse TCP connection to an Android device, pretty much giving you full access to it. Now we're going to be using a payload called Metasploit for this, and let's just not waste any more time and get right to it. So just open up a terminal and just type in the following commands. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to create our payload. So for that, just type in msf venom, and this is the payload that we're going to be using. I just open up a different terminal and type in ifconfig and pretty much find your IP address. So this is the IP address to which the client is going to connect. So type that in and type in lport equals a port number. Now you can type in pretty much any valid port number that you want, just make sure that it's not currently in use. And now just type in the file name. I'm just gonna call it randomfile.apk. Hit enter, and okay, so now we have our APK file. This is the file that we want the target Android device to run. So to get someone to actually run this, you're gonna need some social engineering skills. I'm just gonna leave that part up to you, and we'll just get them to run it. Now before we can actually start getting access to the device, we need to start up Metasploit. So first start the PostgreSQL service and just type in msf console. Okay, so we have the MSF console open, and we don't want to use the reverse TCP payload right now. We want to use a handler, so just type in multi/handler. That's pretty weird. I spelled it wrong, sorry about that. So yeah, I spelled it wrong. Now pretty much what you want to do is you want to set the options again. So if you type in show options, we haven't set any options right now. So let's just type in set payload and the name of the payload, which is going to be interpreter reverse TCP. Set lhost is going to be our IP address, and the port is going to be 444. Okay, so now that we have set all that, if you type in show options again, just verify all these all this info, and once you're good to go, just type in exploit. That's pretty much going to start the payload handler, and it's going to start listening on this IP address. So if you go ahead and run the APK file, let me just get my phone here. So I'm just going to copy this file onto my Nexus. Gonna have to install it first. Okay, so as soon as I click open, you can see that it says Metasploit session 1 opened, which means we now have access to the Android device. So if you go ahead and type in ls, right, no entries, so just go to cd/, now if you type in ls, we can see all the folders that are on the root drive of our Android device. Now if you want to get a list of all the commands that you have from Metasploit, just type in a question mark and hit enter. That's pretty much going to give you all the commands that you can use. Now I know a few of them by heart, so what I'm basically looking for are the images and stuff stored on the phone. So these are probably going to be in the SD card directory, so just type in CD SD card, and boom, we are now inside the actual phone directory. So if you want, you can download files using the download command. Hold on, let me just check the commands again. So yeah, we have a download command, an upload command, a whole bunch of other commands, and these are some Android specific commands. So if you type in check root, you can see whether the device is rooted or not. And if you go ahead and type in sysinfo, it's going to give you a little bit of info on the OS that the device is running and such. Now what I'm basically looking for is the webcam snap feature. So if I go ahead and position my phone such that the camera is pointing at this terminal window right now, and if I type in webcam snap, it's gonna take a photo, and here we are. So yeah, this thing does work. You know, some of these features are broken. It need not always work, but you know, for a free payload like this one, it's not that bad. Now these features actually do work. You can dump the entire list of messages that you can get, that the phone has, and you can actually send an SMS from the phone to a target number. And what else? Yeah, you can download files using the download command. Just type in, hold on, let me just show you guys how to do that. Just type in download space the file name, hit enter, and right, so this is the file that we just downloaded. So yeah, this was a video on how to hack Android devices using Metasploit. If you guys have any questions or doubts, you know, just leave a comment down below and I'll get back to you. If you guys enjoyed the video, be sure to hit that like button. If you didn't, well, again, let me know why in the comments down below. If you guys enjoy this type of videos, be sure to hit that subscribe button, because I have a lot more of them. And yeah, that's pretty much it. This was ArcaneCFG from wastedwolf.com, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Do it! Just do it! Don't let your dreams be dreams. Yesterday, you said tomorrow. So just do it! Make your dreams come true! Just do it!